Okay, so I'm going to go over your science lesson today. What you should have done yesterday is gather 4 items around your house that have matter, and you should have observed the properties of those items. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a chart, and we're going to identify the properties of each item. So we're going to type the name of the item and then the property of each item. There is a helpful document on the next slide after the chart that might help you with some adjectives to describe your object. So first I'm going to start with this, which is Amelia's toy. So I'm going to call that, I'm going to type in there, Amelia's toys. All I did was I clicked in the box one time and then typed. You don't have to double click. Click it once, and if it's taking a minute, let it load. It might lag a little bit, but let it load. Okay, so let me go to my size and shape words. So I'm going to say that it's thin, and I'm going to say that we have some circular shapes, and another, and then, I don't know, we'll call this another, like a semicircle. So I have it thin with spears and a semicircle type shape. Now we know that it's an elephant, but that's the best way we can use to describe it. Okay, so the color. I'm going to describe the color. So the color of this, we have pink and white. Pink and white. So the texture. How does it feel? This one has rough spots and smooth spots. So I'm going to write that it feels rough and smooth. The mass. Let's see, is it light or heavy? I'm going to say this one is light. It's super light. It's definitely lighter than my computer. That's a great measurement to use, is compare it to your computer. Okay, the next thing I'm going to use is my big mug, and that's what I'm going to call it, my big mug. And it is going to be, let's see, I'm going to say it's big, it's fat, and it's a cylinder. So big, fat, and a cylinder, because it's very wide around. Okay, the color is purple. The texture is smooth. Everywhere on it is very smooth. And I can even use another word that's not there, and I'm going to put glossy. Smooth. Okay, I'm just going to use smooth. Mass. This is surprisingly, it's definitely heavier than my computer. Okay, so I see that the chart is moving down. That's okay. Just keep typing and it will move down, but you scroll down and it'll get to where it needs to go. Okay, so I want you to do that for all 4 of your items, and then at the top, I want you to push submit. So you're going to do it for all 4 of your items and then submit. If you have any questions, come see me at 2 o'clock today, and I'd be more than happy to help you.